What's up, everybody? It's Josh from hdflorida.com here today with a cool little test. We have two identical Road Glide Specials in Scorched Orange. This one equipped with the full Boom Audio Stage 2 with the speaker lids, and this one with the equivalent setup from Rockford Fosgate. So we are going to settle today, once and for all, which one sounds better. So without any further ado, let's get to it. We found the quietest place in the dealership, which is one of our enclosed storage buildings. You might be able to hear a little bit of bleed from the air vents from service, but it's pretty minimal even to me. You might not even be able to hear it, I don't know. Editing Josh, can we hear it? Great. In order to make this a fair test, I have two USB drives loaded with the same songs from YouTube's free library. I'm going to set both radios to the same EQ settings, the same volume, putting the camera in the same place. See, bass and treble right in the middle. I've got both the bass and treble set at the middle point. Plug this flash drive in. Flash drive plugged in. Songs are loaded. I'm gonna set the volume at 6. Now for the Rockford Fosgate installed motorcycle. Settings back in the middle. USB plugged in over here too. Go up to 6. Definitely recommend listening to this test with headphones. Your laptop speakers, your phone speakers, you might not be able to hear a difference. Definitely would pause the video here, go grab some headphones, even regular, iPhone earbuds or whatever you've got will sound better. You'll be able to hear the difference better than your phone speakers. Okay, so test concluded. I won't know how much of a difference it is until I get back up to the office and listen to it in editing. But in the room, definitely the Fosgate system had a noticeable amount more clarity to the sound. We'll see how well that holds up when we get back to the office. But instead of talking about it, let's just go there. All right, so let's get you all situated there. I think that past Josh down there in the storage room and future Josh, well, present Josh, me right now, I agree with my assessment from earlier. The Boom 2 equipped system, while it moved a little bit more air, it sounded like a little bit fuller and louder at the same volume. The Fosgate system sounded clearer and less muddy in like every frequency, low to high, like bass to treble. The part that you probably all want to hear about, and you've been waiting for the whole video, is the dollar signs. So for the Boom system, I'll put it all up on the screen right here. The total comes to $2,889.30. That includes the 2 amplifiers, 300 watts apiece for a total of 600 watts, and buying 2 color matched saddlebag speaker lids from Harley-Davidson. So the price of that for your motorcycle may change depending on which color you have, because the prices of colors do vary a little bit. For the Rockford Fosgate system, total cost comes to $1,489.98. It's only 1 amp for 400 watts, so it's 200 watts less total than the Boom system, but it's a pretty massive cost savings. The caveat is you do have to cut into your stock saddlebag lids. They provide a template, and our service department did that while installing this. But that's something you have to make peace with, is cutting into your stock saddlebag lids or sourcing another set of stock lids to cut into if you don't necessarily want to cut your own. But for my money, and with the lid cutting and everything, my money's with the Fosgate system. I like the clarity and especially the cost savings. The point of this test wasn't really to see which one sounded better. I think the point of the test was to see if the Fosgate system sounded close enough to the quality of the Boom audio while maintaining such a low price point, which I think it does. And in my opinion, the Fosgate system would be the one I'd be installing in my Ultra. Whew. So there you have it, people. I'll answer all your questions and comments down in the comment section below. If you've got any ideas or any more tests you want to see on this channel, leave those in the comments too. I love seeing those. They kind of spark these ideas. So then that wraps the video up. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please leave a like down at the bottom. Consider subscribing to our channel if you're not subscribed already. And have an amazing day.